Alright, so we are going to unbox today this iLife robotic vacuum cleaner plus mop that I bought from Amazon today. So this is one of the first time I'm going to use this product. So let's unbox this and see what it does. So this is a huge box, but I don't believe the mop itself, the robot itself will be that big. So let's open it and figure it out. And when I do that, thanks for watching this video. Do share your comment once you are done. Wow, that's a box inside the outer box. So this is the A9s model, which is the latest from iLife, which has a vacuum cleaner plus mop, and it has two different water tank, one water tank for the vacuum cleaning and one water tank for the mop. This is the latest one which they launched towards end of last year 2019, but it got available in India only in 2020. So that how the box looks like, well sealed, that I got from Amazon, and it's not been tampered. So let me just open this. Okay, let me just alright. Let's unbox this. Okay, so what we got here are the 4 brushes, which I believe are the extra one, two brushes which I'm going to use, and 2 extra, so which is good. So I guess the good thing about iLife is they give extra brushes. So I'm going to put this aside, and there you go. These are the front brushes that I'm going to use, but I'm just going to put this aside right now. That looks like a user manual, how I'm going to set it up, and that's more about, so that's a user manual, and that's about a quick start guide about how do I download the app and everything. I'll put this aside and we'll have a look at it a little bit later. Wow, this looks pretty neat, but before we open the main box, this is one more thing that you might want to know. So what iLife A9s does is, you can create a virtual wall with this particular device. So I guess it takes 2 batteries, which you put from inside here. I guess it takes 2 AA batteries, and once you put it, switch it on, it throws a laser, and that's a boundary which the machine does not cross. So that is an additional thing. A lot of latest robotic cleaner has this particular feature through their app, but I don't think iLife has that, so hence they have given this particular additional hardware. So that's the cleaner, and that doesn't look very heavy. I believe its weight is around 6 kilo, but you would see, wow, that's the cleaner. So what it has is, it has the standard wheels, it has the rotational to suck air and everything. These are the 2 places where I'm going to fit 2 of those brushes, and it already has the vacuum tray put it in. So I guess they have put it right here, this is the vacuum tray which goes here and click, it's ready to use. This one over here, it's the socket or a port to charge the cleaner, which of course I'm going to find a place in the home at unobstructed place. I'm going to install it over there. What have we got here? I guess what we have here is probably the water tank. So that's all in it. That's a box. So I'm just going to close this for now. I've got everything out, and let me leave this here. This is, as I believe, would be a water tank and the mop. Yeah, there you go. So this one is the mop and water tank. Everything came in a perfect sealant. So that's a mop there which it has already attached, right? It also has given me 2 batteries, AA batteries for the laser. Then there is 2 AAA batteries. AAA batteries I believe would be for the remote. There you go. It has a very, very slick remote. Of course it's going to be working on the app too. I don't think I'm going to use the remote more. App is what I'm going to use. This is a charger for the wall assembly, correct? This is an extra mop. This is something that I love, because in Indian condition you would have a lot of dirt in the home, so I don't believe one mop would be enough. So even whenever you do mop, you might want to change the mop in between. And it's a smart thing to give an extra mop, right? So you got 2 extra brushes and 1 extra mop. This looks like a filter of the water tank. So they have already installed this. Oh, and this one is a changeable brush. So this is where you want to use it on a carpet, and this is what you want to use for the home when there are no carpets. So this is an extra assembly that has been given, right? And this is a brush to clean itself. I'm going to put this aside. Alright. And there is an extra filter. Now, once you are done with vacuuming, you just take it out. You fill water in this from here. Wait for us to put up detailed demo for this, and you just fix it over here, and boom, your mop is ready to mop your house. And I guess I would have to pre-wet this before I do the mopping, but I guess the changing of tank is very, very easy. You don't need to really do a lot of hard work to do that. Alright, so what we have got, just closing on, a wall mount for the charger, the main unit, the unit to make a virtual wall. You can put it in front of a room, and when you don't want this vacuum cleaner to enter any room where you have kids playing around with a lot of toys spread out, a separate water tank, and there are extra assemblies, which is something I love, an extra mop, an extra air filter, an extra rotor, this is a remote and its battery, and 1 pair of extra brushes. Perfect. So I guess that's what we got. And after a while, I'm going to test it out, I'm going to use it, I'm going to take out more videos and upload onto the YouTube channel. Please stay tuned and ensure that you watch the next video. If you think this was helpful, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you.